channel. My name is Destiny. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in with me today. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe before you even watch the video, because you know what? It only takes 5 seconds. It only takes 5 seconds and it helps me out tremendously. So go ahead and like it. And if you're interested in different home decor and things like that, then might as well subscribe too. Why not? As you can see from the title today, I am doing an outdoor DIY bar. As some of you may know, or if you don't know and you're new here, I just moved into a 3-bedroom townhome and I have a deck outside. So there's this wall on my deck and I thought it was perfect for a little DIY bar. So I just wanted to show you guys what I did, just in case you guys have a space to do the same and you wanted to try it out for yourself. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video, because I will put a list of the materials that I use, and I'll also put it in the description just in case you miss it. If you haven't gone and looked at the previous videos on my channel, I did a full home tour and a TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods haul. So if you like videos like that, make sure you go check it out. I don't want to talk too much and I just want to jump into the video so you guys can see what I did. But make sure you also follow me on my Instagram. That's at mylifeisdes_. So mylifeisdes_, it's going to be on the screen here. But yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and follow me over there so you can just get a little behind the scenes of me and these videos. And also I do smaller projects over there, so I will be doing, if it's not up already, I should be doing like a DIY entryway mirror soon. So little stuff that's not long enough to go on YouTube, I do post over there on my IGTV. I also post little inspiration videos and just encouraging stuff, and also you can just get to know me a little bit more. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I'm on the way to Lowe's right now to pick up the wood pieces for the bar. I have my dad here with me helping out today, but we already measured the deck to get the right or correct size, so we're just gonna go to Lowe's and pick out the pieces that I need and then get it cut to size. So just stay tuned. We're just leaving Lowe's and we got everything we needed. Luckily, we didn't have to get the wood cut because we found the perfect 8-foot long piece, and that's exactly the size I needed, thank God, because actually, just so you guys know, in case you would have to get your wood cut, Lowe's does not cut pressure treated wood, and pressure treated wood is what I needed because that's the wood that needs to go outdoors. It's like chemical treated, so that way it weathers nicely out since it'll be outside. So they don't cut pressure treated wood here at Lowe's, but they do cut it at Home Depot. But luckily we didn't have to get it cut, so we didn't have to go to Home Depot. So yeah, we got everything we needed. We got the wood, we got the brackets to hang the wood, and then we got the screws. So we're on the way home to put everything together. What you need me to do?
Get out of the way.
Okay guys, so we started by basically measuring out where we wanted to put the brackets and making sure they're even. And then we took the wood slab, laid it on the bar stools as y'all saw in the previous clip, and just nailed in the brackets to the wood piece. And then what you see here is us just lining it up and making sure we place the brackets in the right place. If you can see, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but there are like 3 little posts, one on the far left, one in the middle, and then there's one off camera that you can't see right now. So we just wanted to measure and make sure the brackets lined up with those posts, which they did. So right here, I am just leveling everything out, making sure the table is even and level. So this is what it looked like once we got everything screwed in and leveled. Okay, now we're just taking the faux plant and stretching it right into place. So it's a retractable one. We didn't have to measure. It fit perfect. And I just took some nails that were in my toolbox and a hammer and nailed them puppies right on in there. Just made sure everything was secured in place. And this is what it looked like so far. I decided that I wanted to go ahead and add 2 of the faux plants. So a couple days later, I bought another one and added it in there. Okay, so here's the list of materials that I used. I forgot to add a leveler, which is not 100% necessary, but it did come in handy. So you'll just need the brackets, the wood, the screw to go into the wood, the faux ivy plant, tape measure, hammer, and nails. And for the bar, the total came to $54 alone, but if you wanted to add the ivy leaves, it cost $50 from Amazon, and I will link those faux plants below in the description. And yeah, it was fairly an easy project, didn't take too much time or too much work, and it was pretty reasonably priced. And here is how it turned out. That wraps up today's video. I feel like this is such an easy and fun project too, a great entertaining space, perfect for the summertime. So let me know if you guys give it a try. Hope you enjoy.